Hello people, the hunt for the lava birds continue. I'm just outside Bluecoat in Liverpool. Apparently the oldest building in Liverpool. I don't know if that's true, but yeah, I'll give you a little look at the 3 birds that I've spotted here. Beautiful gold one there. And apparently these are the oldest ones. I don't know if that's true, just what Google said. There's another one. And there's another one here. And can we just admire the workmanship here? And just as I was about to leave, there's another one on top of the gate. So there's 4 in there in total, I think. But yeah, blue coats, absolutely stunning.